Hello, this is a quick review just to show you how my husband installed his new bicycle computer. Now, as you see, you receive a very extensive manual. It has 3 pages and it's double-sided, and it does actually tell you to install the magnet and the sensor on the front wheel, but because of my husband's bike measurements, he has a BMX bike, it's rather small, so the measurement on the front wheel and the back wheel was the same. So instead of putting it on his handlebar, it's actually positioned on his frame and on his back wheel. I do have to mention that it says the distance needs to be less than 1.5 millimeters. Well, the measurements on either front or back wheel were less than 1.5 centimeters. So we're not too sure if that would actually be a printing error or such, but you know, it works and it's installed on the back wheel. So as you can see there, he's got the monitor, and then here at the back it has that difference that we were talking about of 1 centimeter. Now, he also says there are different ways of positioning the monitor itself. He's taken some pictures, and we're just going to give the wheels a bit of a spin. And just as it has many different functions, they're all there: current speed, odometer, distance of single trip, maximum speed. It's endless, really. So one last thing, when you first turn on your computer, it's going to ask you the dimensions of your wheel. And you do have a chart there, but my husband's wheel was not listed because it was 20 inch by 175. So he needed to take the measurement, and I'm just going to take you to the wheel, because what he measured was the distance between the center to the outer part of the cover. And that's actually inserted in millimeters inside the computer in a 4-digit format. So it's super easy to install. It took him like 5 minutes. He's been playing with it for the past week. He loves it. It's like having a real computer on his bike, and it has become very helpful. So he would very highly recommend to anybody. I hope this review has been helpful, and thank you very much for watching.